Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm going into ninth grade at Lexington High School, and I also did the gesture controlled car. Um, so I'm going to be talking about how the two ESP32 chips communicate with each other wirelessly to control the car. Um, so the way it works is the sending ESP that's on the glove um, sends information to the ESP on the car. And it does this by like sending it to its MAC address. Um, and the way it's used in the project is first, the accelerometer sends data to the ESP32 on the glove. And then the ESP determines what the car should do based on like the angle or the degrees. I'm also gonna show the code for that. So on the left is the code for the sending ESP. So as you see in this if statement, um, this is the range of like the angle, and depending on the angle, it'll send certain information to the ESP on the car. And um, the car ESP has statements in the code, has if statements in the code as well that determine what the motors will do um, depending on what information it receives. So in this if statement, if it receives the message forward, then it'll do this with the motors to make the car move in different directions. Um, and let me show you guys a video of, oh yeah, just as disclaimer, I'm like a really bad driver with this thing, so I crashed like a couple times. So yeah, the hardest part of this project was for me was working with was getting the two ESPs to be able to connect with each other. Mainly just because it was very new for me and I had like a couple bugs with it. And my favorite part of the project was working with the accelerometer because I just found it cool how something so small could get so much data and just like transmit that through just two wires. Um, so yeah, are there any questions?
Yeah, I have a question actually. I see on your project in your video that you're actually using, or there's an ultrasonic sensor on the top.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
that's a work in progress. Yeah, I just haven't gotten that to work completely yet. I also am thinking about uh adding a modification where instead of it just going forward, back, left, right, or stop, like um it can like speed up and go like different speeds depending on how far you tilt in certain directions.
awesome. But wait, so what's the work in progress mod that like I guess it'll turn out to be, if I may ask?
Probably at first I was gonna do so that it wouldn't like hit any walls because as you saw before, I'm not really that good driving. But I might also make it so that um I might actually change where it is so that it doesn't fall down the stairs because yeah, because that would be even worse than crashing into a wall.
Yeah. Oh wow,
Also,
yeah, that'd
I
be
have a
really
final
cool.
question.
Yeah, Dylan, go ahead.
Um, so when is the race between you and all of the other builders of the gesture control cars?
Oh, I don't know. I don't have an
Gotta
answer
have
to that
one.
question.
We gotta make one. We'll make one tomorrow. Well, instead of a distance or something. That'll be fun. But awesome job, Daniel. Sam stole my question. I was gonna ask you about your modifications, but really awesome job.